Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy Rhoda, and if you're seeing me for the first time, welcome to Delicious Kitchen. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Well, today we're going to be making samosa and spring rolls. So I'm going to be showing you all the steps I'll be using to make it, and I promise you that this spring roll is a total bang recipe. So I saw this recipe from a Chinese kitchen, and I stole the recipe. Well, I'm very good. I like to share my recipes. So come on with me. Let me show you exactly how to make that luscious spring roll. Come on. For our spring roll, I'm going to be using this pot because it's a little bit the quantity I'm making is much. I'm going to be using coconut oil, but feel free to use any oil of your choice. So next, I'm going to be adding my chicken. Yes, chicken. I am telling you. So I'm going to stir. So I'm going to add some seasonings to my chicken so that it's tasteful. I'm going to be adding chicken seasoning. I'm going to be adding salt, garlic, just a little bit. You don't want it to overpower the recipe. A little bit of ginger, and we are going to stir. So next, I'm going to be adding soya sauce, and I am still going to stir. So next, I'm adding onions. So I'm going to fry until the onion is translucent. Right now, I'm going to be adding all my vegetables. What I added is carrots and pepper. Remember, it's spring roll. So the next I'm going to add is my spring onion. So the next I'm adding is my cabbage. And you need a lot of cabbage for this. Into stir. So because I'm an African woman and we always eat all our food with pepper, I'm going to be adding pepper flakes into it. And I am going to be tasting for my seasoning, my salt, and my stock cube and stuff. So now I'm going to be adding a little bit of water. Yeah, that is the magic. Just a little, because the idea is to get it to stick together. So I've made my celery to thicken it. I have my soya sauce, my corn flour, and a little bit of water. So I'm going to stir, combine it, and I'm going to add it. You see, it is ready. This is so ready, and it tastes amazing. So at this time, we're going to take it off the heat, and we are done. So I'm also using coconut for this, coconut oil. I have my chicken here. I have chicken, um, ginger, garlic, and salt, and some stock cube. So now I'm going to add soya sauce. I'm going to add curry. So we're not adding thyme, ginger, and garlic because I already added fresh one when I blended the chicken. So if you watched up to this moment, you have not subscribed, tell me what you are waiting for. What are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe. Thank you. And if you are a returning subscriber, please let me drop a comment. Let me know exactly what you think about this recipe and the one you are going to try. Okay, so I'm going to fry for at least 5 more minutes before I add the vegetables. So I'm also going to be adding a little bit of pepper. It's totally optional if you like it without pepper. So, see, the pot is almost dried. I'm going to be adding onion. You see the way I chop the onion? That's what we need, very tiny onion. Okay, because this is samosa. It's more or less like a chicken field. The other one is filled with vegetables because that one is a vegetable field. So I'm going to be adding my carrots. To fry for 2 minutes and add the remaining. I'm adding my bell peppers. So I have the green, the yellow, and the red. You can use any one, it's just for color. Lastly, I'm going to put in my cabbage. So we are going to taste for salt and it is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give the video a thumbs up and also drop a comment on what you think about the recipe.
Can identify being with the devil, worshiping the devil, and that's why